Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use Sound Recorder on this device. Firstly, open Sound Recorder and click on the red button. Tap Allow, and as you can see, my recording has started. If you want to end it, tap on the same button. Now click on the left button to name your recording, and then click Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wanna delete it, hold it and choose the bin icon. Then click Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!